professor in Agriculture Department at SNS College of Technology. So, in this PPT, we are going to see about what are the food hazards that is visible and invisible to our eyes and how it affects their health system. What are the strategies implemented by the processing units to control these hazards and all? So, shall we start? Okay, what is food hazard? In simple terms, hazard it is the form of biological, chemical, and physical. They are the capable of causing harm to the consumers, and also they are responsibly likely to occur in the absence of controls. And also there is a control required, like both severity and likely occurrence. And food safety regulations require identifying and controlling hazards that pose real risk to public health. There are various types of regulations are there like FSSA and HACCP, ISO standards, and also World Health Organizations are working on how to reduce these food hazards. Next one, there's three pillars of food hazards. These are the three main categories of food hazards like biological, chemical, and physical. In biological, it includes all bacteria, porous and non-spores, virus, parasites that cause illness, that cause stomach pain. And also in chemical, it comes under the toxic substance, pesticides, residues, and chemical industries, harmful industries, and insecticides, etc. In physical hazards, like it is visible to our eyes maximum, like foreign objects like glass, metal, plastic, or wood particles. Biological hazards, the microscopic managed by what are the types of biological hazards are there like pathogenic bacteria like salmonella. It causes food poisoning and gastroenteritis. E. coli. It causes severe illness with kidney complications and Listeria monocytosis. It is a dangerous for pregnant women and elderly. These are the three main types of harmful biological hazards are there, and also various types of viruses and parasites are there. I include like hepatitis A, norovirus, Giardia, and cryptosporium causes severe gastrointestinal illness. These invisible threats multiply rapidly and it can cause widespread outbreaks, hospitalization, and even death also. What are the chemical hazards? Chemical hazards are generally hidden, not invisible to our eyes, and very harmful to our health and also our inner organs. Natural toxins like mycotoxins, like alpha toxins in grains, and Giga terra poisoning from contaminated fish. So we have to wash thoroughly before cooking any food products. Then only we can prevent from these harmful chemicals. And also agricultural components like pesticides, antibiotics, and growth hormones that may remain in food products. And industrial chemicals like cleaners, sanitizers, lubricants that can contaminate food during processing. Allergens are also there like undeclared allergens like nuts, dairy, or gluten can be life threatening to sensitive individuals. So physical hazard leads to the unexpected injury. For example, for in here I listed some examples for your easy reference. For glass fragments from broken containers, right? If you consume the broken fragments, what will happen? Ultimately, it tear our throat or it may fall into our stomach and it causes stomach ache and metal shards from equipment failure, plastic pieces, wood splinters, hair, fingernails, insect fragment. That's why the food safety officers who are working in food processing industries they are using the coat, head caps, gloves, and shoes to prevent contamination to food. And the chain of infections. Here I list out how the hazard spread. What is the frequency and what is the chain of hazards like seeding? Hazards enter from the outside sources through raw materials like people or equipment and the reservoir like moisture, condensate and human carries great sources. Transmission like unprotected food becomes contaminated through contact or cross contamination and also growth like food composition, temperature and time support pathogen multiplication. Preventing the unseen. What are the key control strategies generally we can implement for these hazards like control entry, control growth, and control transmission, detection and removal by using various equipment. How we can safeguard our food, like understand the hazards, implement controls, stay vigilant. Food safety is not optional, it is a commitment we shall share to protect public health.